yet another episode of Vibe, Africa Sporting Stories across the sporting world. Within the Josie Biden FIFA boss, the sports incorporate an peso Martinasi, made the latest in the world of association football, and I made the momo and our show Nuswa and Yasin Kumabra. So don't forget to subscribe to this channel so that you'll be the first to know the latest news which you have seen Kama Eddie Amahin. Ano peso misi fomono meko enra dena wohwe ensemo anana adodanko akufo the president of the Republic of Ghana no directives at the bebe to mountain so na hihye ahorowa efan eye COVID-19 hono akakoye SMP wo bano eye football fraternity no aya still omutwa adwa enya asamketo ko bia pese anka games ne betumi aiden a bounce back na Ghana football no so etumi akona nim nenso enwe dey no na ado etumi ebie school for a third year for me final year for no omomodin omko school and afei wo hwe nhye ahorowa previously no ode abetu dwa no ni nyina so ekoyi papa enya asamkoma kwa still what wani eba ye football administrators na omo kasasa whaya na adodanko akufo the president of Ghana wotumi ebie school for na football day or say alata momman yentie owura din ede ye maestro sene no so kan ensem we FI
might be backed by science. Say they want to see India is backed by science. It must also be backed by science. I'm asking, say, then it just said 30 players cannot train on the pitch.
Me passe me lo ya kini pa na me add me voice. I feel me feel say about we any the fight against the COVID no. One family ni share sports ye. And that is why sometimes say sport for the people fly by wa I need delay no. I night say abandon for the ni move or kai Ghana for say go fast sports one come. And I want to believe that it is time aso to be the kind of time aso we have to speak because we drink football, we eat football, your life in sports. Your life in sports. Sana Ghana Nina Sabi, or Titakwano, or Bomidiano, or Tinka, or Bohasno, or Tinka, and Bo Olympics. Once in life, you be Pia Sabi one color school. And he said, yeah, fighting COVID. Fine, fantastic. More the processes about, more the protocols about, see any so. But and that was the easy restrictions. And then SHS for Omungo school.
They are going back to school.
Omungo school.
University for they are going back.
Omungo school.
Going back.
I'm sorry, I'm going.
You go.
Now, baby, you go to What was your song for?
Ah, yes,
the road no smash on Bosho. I buy the money, yes, sir. Magana by any yes, sir. I said, a query so you're a good sports industry. You're a good football business.
We were stimulus package there. Yeah, other side industries there. You're not giving them.
Oh, yeah, mommy.
People's investment.
Yeah, mommy.
Stimulus package. You won't be like a mass sports going be. And I will go man. Never say was.
Well, no assume. Now I won't some kosi. Koda. What I say? Maybe me feel say, sir, easy na yeah. It is time to also easy. Football, yeah, momo. Yeah, football for a momo. As simple as ABC. As simple. Some people say, and none of me can story be French are buying, and I said France are buying. Was it from next month in Kuala or month of Fako Pass up? Of course, 1 month of Fako good park in a social ball. Sabi, yeah, by what wearing. Yet you hear me say WHO near Padicaka. And now that yes, Scaba, Sa and Unqua. Nambia, and I'll tell you, just a day or two. One will call me Saba. Say numbers Roman Casana and the pen nature to Edana and you'll be a woman. Record me Saba, you won't be cat. Say Tana record me Siba. Let the come in the word and tell me that. Other than other Yama footballers, no teams, no and Saxon training. And then you say, said, Abano, we are conscious, said the football enterprise over 1 minute to my age. Again, and you never feel said the enormous course on the political. Yeah, now you say, you must say a new register. I'm not for me and yet confident. I don't think you give say, oh, yeah, political business. What was so much?
3.5 million cars. And then
you see, money, yes, or unpopular gradually. Abani, yes, or unpopular gradually. because say political decision there o tumi yɛ but ɛba deɛ bɛtumi aboa the sporting fraternity there mo ebu nua bila so ɛnyɛ fɛ na ɔnhyɛ ne yie because baabi yɛ do critical time na ɛkɔ o take decision bi a ɔnhyɛ ne yie apanyin ne yie paa ɛbi bi a ɔnhyɛ ne yie ɛbɛsɛ brother asa ɔmo tumi but ɔmo nye bibi ama nyɛ kama yɛ kɔ school yɛ kɔ asɔre yɛ yie ɛdi ntire mo bɔ
misi nipa hɛn
ɛdi ntire sporting activities yɛ wɔn mu mma kyerɛ deɛ nti a sporting activity no yɛbɔ match baako a ebi a covid numbers no ɛbɛkɔ times 5 ana wɔn bɛkyerɛ mu
yesu bucket be science
wɔn bɛkyerɛ mu mo nkyerɛ hwee mu ɛno ano sɛ mo nkɔ mɛ no sporting activities because it is time to obuo teams no obuo ebia no omua enti o prepare dia braba so I think that it is time let us all add our voice I was saying nyina yɛ hyɛ ase kasa because implement a ɛnyɛ dormanta yɛ sua fira aborɔfi hɔ ebia yɛ start La Liga yɛ start Bundesliga yɛ start ana ana nyina ya start na wɔn a yɛsua bi wɔ no ana mo a wɔn sɛbɛsɛ bi previous wɔn 2 year yɛtini start sporting activity ana na abai with the only na get so obetini atikita na money bi o just say it's just not fair enti me dey feel say boss player that should be out of play I want to see engage aban o ma che yen sporting activities because me dey I don't think far I don't reason me hu dentia sabe still ni e go school I said, "Ben, I'm going to catch you."
me say oh anga yɛ kase boy wo de yɛ ka da bia na yɛ specific reference to sporting activities no na yɛ de bibi abeka say tia apart from that they yɛ ka no blatant yɛ ka no sa keketena
just like that no
I say e do better tell say Moses Parker takwa Moses Parker entimi mark media ma entimi observe social distancing I'm from that here there 5 players at a time
of course
everybody there you ya fa kakra dey enter home the kakra na ye kweli and we are saying that and then yetima ayi class no sekotoko any asoko any division 1 for yetimi ka say 30 players wo dey mu chemu 15 kwa wia 15 kwa ropa 15 kwa wia enyi
protocols no mutima
ye di ba me tin ko kwa so like akre
na match players said e ko back
stadium Agasco stadium
yeah
say ye bie kwa so nipa 1000 roma obi e ko bi ma ye bet best space ama ya bok with fans
of course na obi am pass e ko no abafro mo obi am
yeah because the government should be mindful of the people's investment. Of course, football so even though you want football enterprise, you want to tell me national board for small scale industries. So we need obi ye budia on the one for the busia. Busia na odi man okra. Why so busia na odi okra. Yes, I want 1 year monetary was there. I just say ujia 1 and 2 years. First year, just get bia. What the year do second year as what I say ujia. And your people's investment. I don't know your tiska 500 million enterprise equity player there on the office and investment na
abana ye enter make am say wan hwe ya e be ha politically wan hwe ye da no enti on so mu tu na mo sebe o be hu sebe Ghana fo nyina no is attacked na say ye politically ya so bofo bi ani na bofo bi ye what you calculate the number of players about the Premier League not the number of players about Division 1 Division 2 any number omuba 2 sebe
I just saw this even though we can interrogate the figures no adia me hu yenie era me hu fa
and nti we semo a maestro ono odu tudwa efa ne nana adudanko akofo the president of Ghana wo hwe the directives edeba mountain so no ano odi ye pa na ensem na koye he go man mo say sport fraternity for no so omo kasa mu hia mo chefa say nyabe adomanka nei anka Ghana league ye mo modern fa ye mbie kwan ma league no so ento aso o say league no ye din kan abo be say 15 matches dada aka be say 15 matches e be say abo ankasa okay this year na be bo 32 matches ankasa ya bo 15 dada ntaka be 17 na say betumi abo ma me so etumi akoso ye de ama eye football no and until we are hearing say anka enu ade no mampanyi ba mountains no ko betumi bie kwan ba dwumedem so etumi akoso ankasa na bia so aye fine within the Joseph Baine FIFA boss the sports incorporated and this is Vibe Africa Sporting Stories across the sporting world. Thanks for watching.